What's up, guys? Welcome to welding-steel. I'm going to do a cold start on the tow truck here. So, let's go around the side here. It's not too cold this morning, but it just hasn't been plugged in. It's kind of cold out here, actually. Nothing like the negative 20s and all those other videos, but it'll be kind of cool, I think. So, yeah. Let's grab the key here. Yeah, I can't show you guys the smokestack because I can't hold the camera and turn the key at the same time and press the gas pedal, but maybe this will work. Yeah, right there. There we go. No, that ain't gonna work. Okay. It ain't wanting to start, but that's a cold start. There we go, got her started. Thanks for watching.